how to
Hey guys, in
fix
this
the
video,
League
I
of
will show you how to
Legends
fix the
unknown
League of
player
Legends unknown
error.
player error.
Alright,
Alright, so let's
begin.
begin with the video.
First, check your internet
First,
connection.
check your internet
A
connection.
stable connection
A
is
stable
crucial for
connection
online
is
gaming.
crucial for online
Try
gaming.
resetting your modem or
Try
router by
resetting your
turning it
modem
off
or
for
router
10
by turning
seconds,
it off for
then
10
turning
seconds,
it back on.
then turning it back
Once your
on.
internet is back,
Once
check
your internet
if the
is
issue
back,
is resolved.
check if the issue is
If
resolved.
that does not work, run
If that
League
does
of
not
Legends
work,
as an
run
administrator.
League of Legends as an
Right-click the
administrator.
League of Legends icon and
Right-click the
select
League of Legends
Run as
icon and
Administrator.
select Run as Administrator.
This ensures the game has the necessary
permissions.
Next,
Next,
flush your DNS cache to fix connectivity issues. Open the command prompt
Open
as
the
an
command
administrator
prompt
by
as an
typing
administrator
CMD
by
in the
typing
Windows search
CMD
bar.
in the Windows search
Then
bar.
type ipconfig flush
Then
DNS
type
and press enter.
ipconfig/flush
Close the command prompt and
DNS
restart
and
the
press
game.
enter.
Another fix is to
Close the
close all
command
Riot
prompt and
Games and
restart
League of
the game.
Legends processes.
Another
Open
fix
Task
is to
Manager
close
by
all
pressing
Riot
Control
Games and
plus
League of
Shift
Legends
Escape,
processes.
or right-click.
Open Task Manager by pressing Control Shift Escape or right-clicking the
them
taskbar
and
and
click
selecting
End Task.
Task Manager.
Relaunch the
Find
game
any
and
Riot
check if the
Games or
issue is
League of
resolved.
Legends processes,
Also, check
select
the League of
them,
Legends
and
server
click
status on
End
the official
Task.
website or down
Relaunch
detector.
the game and check
If the
if the
servers
issue
are
is
down,
resolved.
wait until they are back
Also,
online.
check the League
So
of
that's
Legends
basically how you
server
can fix the
status
League
on
of
the
Legends
official
unknown
website
player
or
error.
down detector.
And that's it for this video.
If the
If you
servers
find
are
this helpful,
down, wait
consider
until they are
subscribing
back
and giving
online.
us a big thumbs up.
And that's it.
Thanks.
So that's basically how you can fix the League of Legends unknown player error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.